student. Today I am going to teach about the subject Money and Banking, class 12, chapter 1st and it part 8. We will study about the difference between central bank and commercial banks. The first point is the central bank is the apex institution of the financial and banking structure of the nation. It means that it is the apex. Central bank is the apex institution of all the financial and banking structure of the nation. And all the banking system and the financial system are regulated by the central bank. The first point of commercial bank is it is one of the structure of the money market. What is a money market? Money market are those market which give short term loan, which give short term money to the Indian people, to any person. The central commercial bank is it is a one of the structure of the money market. Central bank also provide the short term loan, short term amount to the people of country. Second point is the wholly owned by the government. It means the owner of the central bank is government of India. And the second is the owned by the shareholder. The commercial bank, the owner of the commercial bank is shareholders. The third point, it is a non-profit organization which implement the financial policies of the government. Central bank work as a social welfare. The main objective of the central bank is for social welfare to develop the country, not for making profit, and to implement the financial policies of the government, and also implement all the financial policies which is made by the government. Central bank implement it. And the third point is commercial bank. It is a profit making organization. The main objective of the commercial bank is to earn profit from the public. We can say that it is a profit making organization. Fourth, it has a monopoly of note issue. It have only right to issue the currency of any country, and no other banks have a right to issue the currency. We can call it is a monopoly of note issue. Commercial bank can only issue check. Commercial bank have right to issue check on the behalf of and the need of the customer. Fourth point is central bank is the banker to the government and does not involve itself in normal banking activities. It is a banker of the government. It is not a banker of the public. Central bank does not work as does not work in normal banking activities. Banking activities such like accepting deposit and advancing loan, issue check. This is the and issue overdraft. This type of working are not done by the central bank. Uh, Commercial bank, it is the banker to public. Commercial bank is the banker. It work for the public and he earn profit from the public. We can call it is a banker to public. Fifth point, it grants space to commercial bank in form of rediscounting facilities, keep their cash reserve and clear their balance. Central bank provides some facilities, some guideline to commercial bank in form of the rediscounting facilities, and central bank uh, also kept some cash reserve and clear their balance. And the commercial bank, it give loan to and accept deposit from the public. Commercial bank can only accept deposit from public in form of saving account, recurring account, fixed account, and current account, and advancing loan to the public in shorter form. Sixth point is the control of credit in accordance with the need of business and economy is done by this bank. Central bank can control the credit in accordance with need of the business. uh, Credit are controlled by the central bank in accordance with need of the business. When the supply of money is increased in any country, in the country, central bank have a right to control such credit and control the inflation and inflation rate. Commercial bank is credit is created to meet the business requirement. Credit is created, it means that something are doing in form of loan and some credit. Credit is created to meet the business requirement. Any business person want to take loan, want to take some money, then he go to the commercial bank, and commercial bank provides such type of credit to meet the requirement of businessman. Another point is central bank help to establish financial organizations so as to strengthen money. It helps industries by the granting shares, debenture and agriculture. Commercial bank only help the industries by granting shares to issue shares, debentures and agricultures, and through this they can earn profit. It can only establish financial organization. Central bank have only right to establish financial organization. Through this financial organization, the public, the welfare, the country can develop, and this financial institution help the Indian people to fulfill their needs and requirement. Another point is the chief of this bank is designated as governor. The main person, the chief person is called a governor in central bank. The chief of this bank is called chairperson. Chairperson is the main person of the commercial bank who manage all the working of the commercial bank, and governor is the main person who handle and manage all the working in the all the working of central bank. Another point is this bank is the this bank is the guardian of the financial currency reserve of the country. Central bank have a right to reserve foreign currency of the country, and the commercial bank, it is a dealer of foreign currencies. He deal with foreign currencies. Any person want to take any currency and want to exchange the currency, then he go to the commercial bank. Commercial bank deal with foreign currency, and central bank kept and reserve foreign currencies for the main purpose of reserve foreign currency is that when country is going to country has faced when country has faced some difficulties, in that cases foreign currency will be very helpful for this problem, to solve this problem. The last point is each country will be having only one central bank with its offices at major center of the country. Each country, each country having only one central bank. Only one central bank are available in every country. We know that Reserve Bank of India is the central bank of India. Is the central bank of India, and the Federal Bank is the central bank of America, and the People Bank of China is the central bank of China. In every country have a central bank. And the commercial bank, there are the several commercial bank with thousands of branches within and outside the country. Commercial bank There are several types such as the SBI. SBI is a commercial bank, Allahabad Bank, and Bank of Baroda. All these banks are the commercial bank and with have a lots of branches which are available inside the country, within the country, and outside the country. I hope all the point will be clear. You have any doubt, you can ask me question. Thank you.